Hello everyone, welcome to this month's video where we're going to go ahead and do my February reading spreads to go over all of the books that I read in February. I'm just going to show you all of the supplies and then we will move into voiceover Andrea. So I have some borders from my shop as well as some no white space stickers, little doodles, the awards for the month. This is version 4. We also have the ransom letters in white because I figured I could color these to match the spread. And then I also have 3 of the book review version 5, which I've been really loving, as well as some of the letter beads. I figured I could also color these because they're white. A journaling card from Simply Gilded. I'm not sure I'm totally going to use all of these yet or not, but I just have them out. I also have the Simply Gilded Gamer Girl sticker sheets along with the PET tape because that's kind of like the theme I'm going for, is the purple and pink for February, along with this no white space stickers. I'm just probably going to leave this on my desk. It's like a really pretty like pastel rainbow grid. I love that. I also have this TBR, which this is actually going to be for next month. So I don't know why I have it in here. Also the box V4, which actually is also going to go with the TBR. I don't know why it was in here. Then I have a bunch of these large die cuts to see if I want to use one of them or 2 of them in this spread. I thought they worked really well because they were purple, all from my shop, in matte paper. I have this Barbie Loves Books, which I'm either going to try and put in this spread or I will put somewhere else in my planner because I think it's so cute. And then I also have the same gamer washi from Simply Gilded to kind of go with the theme. As far as colors go, I haven't really decided what markers I'm going to use. I do have this one here, 75, which is my most used one. I'll try and remember to link the markers down below, but I'm probably going to use these ones, I think. These are what I said on 75, 84, and 67. This blue looks kind of wild, but it's definitely more of like a light blue. And then on a reusable sticker book, I stole this idea from Hannah. I put all of the books in the order that I read them. I also have these like trope stickers from my shop, and I just thought they'd be cute to like throw in if I had one that matched. Which actually, like, I feel like I'm gonna just like design my own and then do like a bunch of tropes. These are like clip art that I purchased to use, but these are custom books. I offer them in different size sheets. I will leave the book listing down below. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm going to do is use some tape roller and just put in this journaling card along with this larger die cut sticker from my shop. I've been waiting for a spot to put this and I think that this turned out perfect. I was going to initially color in the ransom letters, but I figured using up some of the more blank space of this journaling card would be a great idea and just use the white letter stickers. It took a while for me to get it centered right, but because these are matte stickers, they're easy to move around and get them how you like them. Also, I just noticed now that the right side of the page just never recorded, so you can imagine how that went, and I'll be doing something similar on the next pages. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take some of the smaller deco and go ahead and scatter it around the empty spaces on the outside. I feel like my planner girl brain is like, if there is space, we need to put a sticker in it. So I kind of go ham, but honestly, looking at it from far away before I put the stickers on, it kind of actually looked cute without the stickers, but honestly, a little bit of extra sparkle never hurt anybody. Now for putting in the books that I want to write my reviews on, I am using the custom book stickers from my shop along with, I believe this is review box 5. I like it because it fits really nicely next to book 2 and I believe it's book 5, and you have the perfect amount of space in the A5 to put 4 books if you line them up properly like I did on the previous page, but you didn't see it because who knows what happened there. I'm also using the awards sticker to mark my favorite read of the month, which was definitely a surprise for me because I thought it would be Rebel Witch because that was my most anticipated book of the year, but it was The Irresistible Urge to Fall for Your Enemy. I'm just going ahead and putting in some random deco bits along with coloring in all of my stars, and I am just honestly obsessed with the way that this turned out, and I love all of the colors. I did use some of the watercolor swatches from my shop just to put some quotes in the future as well. And that, my friends, is everything for this spread. I'll go ahead and fill it out afterwards. I'll show you what the filled out version looks like in here. I think it turned out really cute last month, but I just take my time. Otherwise, it's going to be a hot mess. My handwriting is already not great, but I just have my little cover page here. February reads. The only things that I pulled in that I didn't tell you all about were these acrylic markers that I really like. I'll link them down below. They don't bleed through the page and they are very pigmented, and I have a lot of colors. So I just use these to like add little dots to kind of be like space filler almost, and I really like them. That is the swatches of all three of those. And then the only other thing that I did pull in was some watercolor splashes from my shop. This one is in Frosted Dreams, which is supposed to look like an ice skating rink, but I think it worked really well on the next page. So I have this whole thing here with 4 books here. And then I did just like 2 of the bigger deco pieces here because I thought they kind of went with the fantasy vibes of my like 2 favorite books for the month. And then I used those watercolor splashes, and I will probably put quotes in them like I did with these, and I think that that will be fantastic. The one thing I don't like is the color that I chose for this, but I'm doing the best with what I got. So that is everything for my February reads. I hope you like this month's spread. And then also, I don't know if you saw, here's my, I don't know what video will be up first, but this will be in my vlog. I think I put this in. So yeah, that's everything. I'll talk to you later. Bye.